This is how we remove a pulsator and how to make cleaning from the washing machine at your home. First, you will see there's a protective cover. First, and you have to remove this by a spanner. Then you will see a bolt. This is the number 10 millimeter bolt, and you release it. Okay, now you're clear. Some washing machine needs to lift it up this procedure with a spanner, but I will show you how to do. Yes, for balance on the left and right or forward and aft, you have to make balance holding and just lift it up. Okay, now you can see how steady inside the pulsator and the washing machine. Okay, thank you very much.